Does a certain action make people happier? There is only one way to know more or less with certainty if that is the case, and that is by doing an experiment. How does that experiment work? First, we take a group of people and then by coincidence we divide them into two groups. Then one of those groups is the control group. That group has a treatment as usual, doesn't do anything special, and the other group is the so-called intervention group, and they do a certain action, like for instance a gratitude diary, but it can be all kinds of things that you want to test. Now, then, before you do all that, you test both groups and see how happy they are, what their level of well-being is. Then you do this intervention with the one group, and then afterwards you test the well-being again. And then you can see if there is a difference in well-being before and after in the intervention group, and if that difference is bigger than the difference before after in the control group, then you know that for these groups the intervention, for instance the gratitude diary, works, that it makes people happier. It won't always work, that makes it interesting, that's what makes science interesting, but that way you can test if on average a certain action makes people happier.